Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our class. I'm your instructor Adil Raza and today we have to learn a SLO from grade 6. It's our unit 12. So let's find out what our today's SLO is about. Our today's SLO is about the competency of grammar and vocabulary, particularly vocabulary, and it's our lecture 2A and the main topic of this SLO is homographs. So let's find out what the SLO is going to say. The SLO states that understand and identify homographs, words spelled the same with different pronunciation. So in this SLO we will focus on the homographs and how homographs with the same spelling pronounced in different way and present the different meanings. So let's find out what the homographs are, but before going to the topic, it's the vertical linkage. I hope you guys have got it. Let's go further. Here is the brainstorming session, so let's do brainstorm. The prompt says that have you ever noticed words with the same spelling but with different meaning? So students, have you ever noticed some same words with the same spelling but they pronounce differently and presents different meaning? Like there is a word present and present, they both spell the same but they both have different pronunciation as well as they both have different meaning. So why this thing is happen and how, what is the relationship between the word present and present? Because the both are homographs. When there are words which are spelled the same but have different pronunciation or meaning, they are called homographs. So let's find out what the homographs are. Words that have the same spelling but different meaning and sometimes different pronunciation are called homographs. So I hope you guys have understand what the homographs are. Like the wind is blowing hard, I have to wind the clock. So here the spellings are same but the pronunciation and the meaning both are different. So this is how the homographs are occurred in the language. Here the word is wind, here the word is wind. Like the word present and present, the both are different but they have this same spelling. That's why they are called the homographs. Homo means the same and graphs means the pattern. So the words with the same patterns are called the homographs. The word with the same spellings are called the homographs, but they can vary in the pronunciation and the meaning, like there the wind and wind are. Let's go further. Here we have some other example like tear, a drop of fluid from an eye, or tear a rip, or damage something. Lead and lead. So there are different types of homographs as I have mentioned earlier. So I hope you guys have understand what are the homographs and how they occur in the language. So according to the knowledge of the homograph, kindly attempt this classroom activity. Let's go further. Here we have a simulation link. This simulation is also based on the concept of homographs and you can find the link of this simulation in the description box. Let's go further. Here we have the worksheet. Kindly pause this video and attempt this worksheet according to the knowledge of the SLO. Let's go further. Here we have a homework. In the homework, what you have to do, you have to read any random text or use your previous knowledge about the language and recall your stories and texts which you have read and to come with 5 different homographs from English language. So this is your homework which you have to do. Let's go further. Here is a resource pack. This resource pack will help you to achieve your SLOs in a better manner. You can access these resources, this resource pack through the website or through the description of the video. I hope you guys have understand what are the homographs, how the homographs occur in the language and how they differ in the meaning or pronunciation. If you find any issue, any problem regarding the concept regarding the homographs, you can ask in the comment section and ask from your teacher as well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.